Welcome back to everyone. In this video I will guide you how to fix Snapchat lag on Motorola G37 power. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart phone, just click and hold side power button and volume up button at the time. Click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon. You will see phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, go to app library, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps and click on see all apps. Scroll down and search Snapchat from here. Click on Snapchat and click on storage and cache. If you want to fix this problem, so clear cache Snapchat app, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, go to app library, click on settings app. Now in setting, click on storage and update, system and update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, so just click and hold just click and hold Snapchat app and click on uninstall. After uninstall Snapchat app and click on Play Store app and again install Snapchat from here. After installing, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.